I'm Bernina expert Amanda Murphy, and I'd like to show you my Every Ribbon Candy quilting rulers. They're part of my Good Measure ruler collection for Brewer sewing, and as you can see here, there are 4 rulers in a set. You quilt down and up the ribbon candy shape. Then shift your ruler over and quilt down and up again, and what you'll notice is the previous stitched lines lie right underneath the curved lines on the ruler. I'm also using the horizontal lines on the ruler to stay square to my border area. The ribbon candy rulers come in sizes that range from 2.5 inches to 5 inches in height. And that is how you quilt ribbon candy with the Every Ribbon Candy rulers.